Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, Geography Genius led by Anshuman Mishra. So hope you all have a great day, and I just want that you all should have a great day throughout your life. So as you all know that in the last video we have talked about rice. Rice is as we all know, that is a staple crop. What is a staple crop? A staple crop that has a dominance in everyone's diet. So that is one of the most important thing. If you have not watched that video, I have told many things in that video, like primitive types of farming, intensive type of farming, and cropping pattern, and slash and burn. All these things are very important. I have told in that video, and the link of that video is in the description. You can go and watch that video. So let's start today's video. As you all remember that if you have watched our Hindi video, in that I have used this map, and now I am using this here only because right now the issue we are talking, that is about India only. So let's talk about that. But before, let me tell you that I have used some abbreviation here. You can just think about that MB. What is MB? Millet have three types of crop: the jawar, bajra, as well as ragi. So I will talk about that in my next video, and that would be shooted right now, and I will just post it afterward. But today we're going to talk about wheat. Wheat is very important. Let's talk about that. Wheat is one of the most important cereal crops. What are these? These are the one of the most. Comes on the second position. When we talk about rice, rice was at the first position because it has a dominance, but it is not having dominance for throughout the country. It is having dominance in few part of the country, like we can say all this region. Can you see? Is there any word I have denoted the wheat as W? So can you watch any part of a country, leaving the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, and all these regions? Any other state like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, W? No. Why? Because these having a dominance of our diet in particular region of the country. What are those particular regions? That is the region of north to northwestern region. North and northwestern region means this region as well as for this region, like Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, having Haryana, and we can say Punjab. Right? So these areas are important. So they are north and northwestern part. So here it is having the dominance, but not throughout the country. It is not having dominance in Kerala, not having dominance in Tamil Nadu, not having dominance in Karnataka. So these are the states which are not having dominance. So that's why it has coming the most important second crop in India, right? I hope you all have understood what I'm trying to say, right? So let's talk about the next issue which I'm going to talk about. Now, what is the climatic condition? What is the total, we can say, condition which is required for this crop to be grown in a particular season, right? So first of all, let me tell you that I have in cropping pattern, I have told you about three crops. What are those crops? That are kharif crops, rabi crops, and zap crops. So these are types of crop. So they are cropping pattern. So this crop means wheat comes in a cropping pattern of rabi crop. Rabi crop is having it is having a crop cereal in which there is a crop that is said to be wheat. So wheat does not require a hot climate like summers. Summers having a very hot climate, right? Temperature is around roughly to 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is not required for this. The temperature requirement for wheat is around 15 degrees Celsius. Means we can say, let's go further and talk about the next one. What is the rainfall requirement? Rainfall requirement is roughly from 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall. 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall is required for wheat. So you have to note down these points. Please don't forget to note down all the points. That is very important, and then you can make notes also. I don't need to prepare you notes, any kind of notes, right? You can write it and just you can understand anything. Please write your queries in the comment section. That is very important. So let's talk about another requirement which is required. Look, this wheat crop is not grown in any other region, any other part of the country. It is not grown on the coastal region. It is not grown on the, we can say, northern part of the. These you have studied the physical feature, right? In that, no other region is required for wheat crop. Only I will tell you now the two regions where the wheat can be grown properly, and those two regions are Ganga Satluj plain. Means this is a river area. Ganga is a river, and you all know Satluj is also a river. And these are the areas. Ganga Satluj river means Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. These are the areas. Rajasthan, and by the way, the rivers are not that side. But remember that these areas are good, and these areas are preferable for wheat crop, and there the wheat crop has been grown. So that's why the book has also written this point that Ganga Satluj plain is said to be the best region for wheat. Now let's go further and talk about what is the second region. Second region is said to be the central Deccan part. Central Deccan means this region, Madhya Pradesh. First of all, whenever in class 5th, class 4th, class 6th, whenever you have studied about the soils, the chapter comes soil. In that, black soil, red soil, alluvial soil, loamy soil, many soils are there. So whenever you have studied about the red soil, whenever you have studied about the black soil have a reason. it has written there that Madhya Pradesh is having a major part, a major region for black soil. So that's why I'm saying Madhya Pradesh is important, and that's why the Madhya Pradesh is in the list of growing wheat. So you have to remember this point, that black soil, this region is required. So this region is a major part where the wheat has been grown, and black soil has been found in this region only. So these were, I think so, requirement which are required, I think so, and I have told you that it is the second most popular crop in India, and it has been grown leadingly, right? And I have told you where the region it has growing, that is, you all know, that is Ganga Satluj plain and Central Deccan. That is also called black soil region, black soil Deccan region. That is also said that to be also. And I have told you the rainfall requirement. I have told you the bright sunshine. I have not told you this point, bright sunshine. And 15 degrees Celsius temperature is required during the production, during we can say the growing season. This should be the, we can say, parameters on which this crops can be grown. Remember these things. So 15 degrees Celsius of bright sunshine. This, and it's obvious, you all might be knowing that a winter season can provide such kind of criteria, right? So, and I have told you the rainfall requirement, everything. Now I will tell you the which state these crops have been found. The the regions where state this crop has been found, that is Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab. These are the region. Bihar is the region, and these are the overall region. You can say W is here also, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, we can say Bihar, and Haryana, and Punjab, finish. Only these 5 states. These are the leading producer of wheat. It's not like that other state also produces, but they are having a quite good production because due to these criteria, right? So I hope you like this video, and but just after few minutes, I'll we can say few days, I'll post my video of millet. In millet, I will talk about the jowar, bajra, as well as from the ragi. And ragi is a major state, that is Karnataka. I'll talk about that also, but in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like, comment, share, and join. And that tutorial I have posted till now, state and capital. Today I will post, as you can see that there is a world map. Today I will go to post location and extent of India. So hope you like that video. Hope you watch the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.